Hello friends, welcome to my channel. To access our SQL Server, we need of management studio. So now we have installed only SQL Server engine. If you try to access SSMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio, you will not get it because you have to install that SQL Server Management Studio also. We have to download and install SQL Server Management Studio. So I'm going to install one by one, which is all the tools used for our .NET development. We installed Visual Studio and SQL Server. Now we are going to install SQL Server Management Studio. Now we install the engine, SQL Server engine. So now we are going to install Management Studio so that through Management Studio we can access our SQL Server. Before continuing with this session, I would request you all, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for notification alerts. For that I'll search here Management Studio. So we can download any latest version. We have the latest version of 18.11. Click on this. This file is downloading. So this SSMS setup has been downloaded. Click on show in folder. So this is the exe which we have to run to install SSMS. Double click on this exe. Here if you want to change this location, you can click on change and you can select where you want to store all the files related to SSMS. I am leaving as default one. Click on install. Now our Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio has been installed successfully. Click on. Now we will search for SQL Server Management Studio. It has been installed. Click on this Management Studio. So when you are opening first time, it will take some time. So this is my PC name and this is my SQL instance. By default it is selected. I'm going to use Windows authentication. Click on connect. It's connected to my database server. From here we can create all our databases which is related to SQL Server.